Hi guys, this is Juja from I Heal with Love, just checking in with you because I am preparing the manual for this Saturday's virtue workshop, and I am getting very excited about this time that we're gonna have together with the people that are going to sign up. You still have time to sign up. The workshop will be Saturday 8 a.m. to 2:30 no 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Which in Europe, Central Europe, is 2 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. So it's going to be a 4-hour workshop with a break in the middle. I am preparing the manual with hundreds and hundreds of beliefs to a muscle test. As usual, the content will be much more profound and complex and more than what we'll be able to go through in 4 hours, but you can continue using this manual and muscle test to reveal the limiting ways you've been trying to learn, master the virtues. In this workshop, we are going to focus on the virtues needed to connect to the 3 universal laws: the law of vibration, the law of illusion, and the law of attraction, that are needed to be able to consciously and successfully manifest. Okay, so it's going to be an awesome workshop. I hope to see you there. I am running a client student special with a personal investment of only $107, and if you're new to me, Juja, or to I Heal with Love, then your price will be $170. I believe the value will be much greater than that. I hope to see you there. I hope you feel called and reach out if you have any questions.